good. It's good. Stick into floss. Not bad. That area is a little bit bring it in. A little bit more straight. Yes. Alright. That's good. Still we have a lot of room so we can add it to this area here and there too, especially, right? Okay. Okay, so 4 for 2 Titan 7 star. And the other one, the last lower one, the 40. Very good. Just prepare to the 7-star cases. Very luckily, it's a very passive implant site. It's really cool. It's so good. Realism of the work. Just like this. Wow, nice. One is a little tight but good floss. Second is good. So I have to push this. Alright, now the other one. Nice. Now here's a little tight, right?
Yeah.
So we saw that. Hold on. Not bad.
Just little.
Alright, just a little. That's good. What about here?
Next. Yeah.
Okay. This. Alright. Here. Core. Alright.
This one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the finalize it with the Titan 7 star, which is single unit, except all back tools. Okay. Because this is we have a splint for the occlusion. Alright. Then like this. So we're going to take it out from the implant side. This is a different. Okay. So this is the reason why we do this. Makes sense? Especially the long span panic, which is violated. If I make the zirconia, and a huge problem we're going to cracking. The second, we cannot make the this one with a thin as possible, as much as possible, right? But this is exceptionally thin restorations compared to this. Doctor gave us the PMMA, so we just collaborated and then trying to make the same size as much as possible. So you all saw all our video, which is we designed it and then we specific design in the tissue contour, the size wise, everything. Then top of that we made the restoration, which is monolithic. Why? Because this is a problem. The lower teeth is a fake teeth, all fake teeth. This is natural teeth. Fake teeth will get the cracking easily. So we're going to cementing with this soon. Okay, and then make the one unit. So this is the top of the line restoration full mouth cases, which is the unbelievable stage. So we fabricated the finals restorations like that. Okay, of course it's really careful about the interproximal contact, right? Anyway, this one we're going to cement soon. Good buccal corridor, great foundation from the tooth by tooth. Okay, which is I love this kind of product, which is we call Titan 7 star, top of the line. When zirconia cannot do, we can do with this one, with the one unit, the highest aesthetics, which is patient comfort. All right, thanks for watching. Good. It's good. You can do fast. Nice. Okay. So we're trying to give them as much as possible for floss. So by tooth is moving, that was nice, right? Okay, here's is good, right? Okay, it's good, so they can floss. So now we can get the finals, the restorations, top of the line, okay? And then finish with this. Then we mount it. Check the bite. Make sure all fit it. Good. Now it's good tooth mobility. Right. Now this is called Titan 7 stars, extremely thin, so they can floss individual. Thanks for watching the whole video. Okay, so this is the finals restorations. We'll give them slightly the flossing, the both teeth, and the great aesthetics. So Titan 7 star, finally we finished it. Okay, now we're ready to send doctors. Right, and then here's this bite. Just make sure they all this.